amazing.
What if we make I'm gonna have this one. Do not press the button. This is a book where you do not press the button, but you actually do press the button. I was inspired by a real book. Do not press the button. Press the button. Oh no, I have turned pink with dots. Look at me. Press the button again. Eco copy. A copy and green dots. 2 buttons, 3 buttons. This book you have to press the 2 buttons and the 3 buttons all at the same time. Press and press. You put everything away. Yes. And then right here, the monster is sad, pointing up at the button, and then he gets copied 3 times, but then he gets uncopied, and now, OMG, no more pushes. Okay, 1 more, and there's 5 little happy monsters. And then he turned into a golden star collage with colors too, and then after that he turns into a star collage.